All right. 4-2, Algebra 1. All right. What is it? I need the X and Y intercepts. X and Y intercepts. Who's got me? X is 1 and Y is 3. That was close.
Wouldn't it be negative?
What would it be negative? Nice, nice. So like you came in, wow, right?
Yeah.
And you came in with the other ones. Oh, but then you just said, okay, yeah, okay, good. Keep them back, keeping them back. Okay, it's a good one. All right, there it is.
That's it?
That's it. The x-intercept is -1.
Are we doing this all together?
Yep. The y-intercept is 3. That's it. It's the first problem. Next problem. 15. 1, 2, and 4. So 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you tell me what the x and y intercepts are? X intercept equals -4 and y
Wait, what's all that? You're right. Oh, never mind.
intercept. Yeah.
That was
Just sloppy right for.
Okay.
And is how much?
What?
Not sure.
What page?
Negative.
240.
Wait, why? Bam!
You're right. Hold on. I want some people who aren't catching on yet to get it.
Let's try to get that.
Trying to get the x and y intercept. So wherever it crosses x and y. And it goes like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, but these are negative. Okay. So, what do you think? Not sure? What do you think?
Which one?
I got it right here, this one. Number 15. What do you think?
Cover.
What do you think?
2.
2? Right. Is that easy?
I said it's
How are you?
not.
You're talking about? I didn't know you were talking about that.
That's it.
140.
Yeah,
240.
that's it. We're just looking for the y-intercept.
My fault. I wasn't paying attention.
Exactly. If we were, it's not that bad, is it?
No.
Robert, what is it? Exactly. Could you know? Elijah, what is it? What's the x and y intercept?
I don't know.
It's written. It's like, my brother. Right?
I can't see.
Come on. I know. That's why you can't be there. Got to get into class. Okay?
Oh,
I
okay.
can't make you guys be here. But I'm going to try to get you guys to wake up. You told me today would be your day. Let's make it happen. All right? Next. All right. For those of you at home, put it on pause because I'm going to erase this. It's time for us to move on. Okay, so that was 13 and 15. We're moving on to 17. 17 looks like this. 4y minus 8 equals 2x. Can we still do the cover-up method? We can, right? It might be easier if we move some things. Hey, who remembers the trick from the other day? Moving. Cross the equal sign. Anybody? Somebody? One buddy?
Yeah, in the minus.
Yes! You just make it the opposite. If I want to move this over here, I'm going to make it, what's the opposite of -8? 8. What's the opposite of 2x? Minus 2x. So it's going to be minus 2x plus 4y equals 8. See how easy that is? Now, is that standard form? No. Does it have to be? No, they didn't ask it. If it wanted standard form, then we just multiply everything by a negative or change all their signs, right? Simple. Done. But that's not what they want. They want the x and y intercepts. So what do we got to do? What method are we going to use? Somebody, one buddy. This whiteboard is going to take you out. What you got?
And the same thing we learned yesterday?
It's the same thing we learned 10 minutes ago. It's even closer. You didn't have to even fall asleep yet. Well, some of you. Okay? What am I going to do? What method? Hand, cover up. Alright? Cover it up. Why do I cover it up? Because I plug in a 0. If I plug in a 0, what happens here? This goes away. What times 4 is 8? 2. Okay. Alright? Plug it up. What times negative 2 is 8? What times negative 2 is 8? I'm hearing what? 4, close. Negative 4. Good. 2 negatives make a positive, right? Okay? Alright, I heard a but no one got, I didn't know if you were singing a song, like, what? You know that word? So, I didn't know if you were using that, or if you were actually saying negative. What up, negative? What up? So negative? What's up, negative? Okay, so, what is my y-intercept? What is my x-intercept? Who's got one for me? Somebody's got one. What's my x-intercept? What's my y-intercept? Come on!
Y is 2.
Y is 2.
X is negative.
And x is? Negative 4. That's it. That's all they're looking for right there. Okay, I'm going to leave that up there. I'm going to do the next problem. The next problem is 19. 4x plus y equals 8. 4x plus y equals 8. I didn't even have to change anything. It's in standard form. This is what we want, people. Who can do it? Same thing, I need an x and y intercept. How do I find it? You can't see me. Is that what I should call it? The you can't see me method?
He said cover it up.
Cover it up. Okay. Cover it up. How do I do that? By plugging in a
0.
Okay? And what that does is it says y equals 8. Oh, I don't even have to ask you. Well, I should ask you. What does y equal?
8.
8. Okay, thank you. Alright, so then what do you do? Yeah, plug it in the bottom. Robert, help me out. 4 times what is 8?
2.
That's it. See? 2. We got this. All day. All day. It is not hard. Alright, this is the hard part though. What's the x and y intercept? Exactly. See, that's the hard part. They throw those big words in there, right?
8.
What is the x-intercept?
Wouldn't that be those two?
Not together, just the part.
What's the x-intercept?
X-intercept.
2.
2.
I already said that, yeah.
I know.
I said that.
I know. And then what's the y-intercept? 8. I was kidding when I said it was hard. I'm being facetious. Roll with me. I know, huh? Oops. I want to make sure that you're confident in your answers and you're not just spitting things out, right? Because a lot of times, and especially you guys in here, you'll see numbers, you'll be like, 8. Oh, that wasn't it? 2. Because you're just guessing. You know, he's got to be one of them, right? And I don't know why, but it's one of them. Okay? So, what I want to make sure is that you know why it's 8 and why it's 2. Okay? That's all. Alright. People at home, put it on pause because I'm going to erase this. Next. 21. Uh-oh. Here it is. 2x plus y equals. I lost it. 10x minus 1. What are we going to do? We want the x and y on the other side, right? We haven't done this one yet, right? But all we want is to make sure that the x and y is here and it equals a number, right? And then we're happy. Then it's easy. Move the 10x by adding the opposite. It's always move the opposite. What's the opposite of 10? Negative 10. That's what we're moving over there. We're adding a negative 10x. This cancels, right? What's negative 10 and 2? Come on, people. Negative 8. We all been there, right? I know I am there a lot. Right? I owe $10. I make 2. That's what it feels like when you teach. Alright? So you owe $10 and you make 2. There it is. Right? You still owe 8. Well, at least I don't owe 10. Right? That's all you can say. I'll work another day and make 2 more bucks. Okay? So, what do I do now, though? I want the x and y intercept. You can't see me.
Cover up.
What up, negative? Cover it up. That's it. Cover it up with what? 0. Good. So I cover it up. So what is y?
Wait, we're in again. Negative 1.
Yeah. See, I didn't say it that time. I was waiting. I was waiting for someone to come up with it. Then what do I do? Yes.
This is the second one, like it.
Okay. Cover it up.
So it's still just negative 8.
Ah. Right now we got negative 8x equals negative 1. It's not as easy as it was before, right? What times negative 8 is negative 1? You're like, I don't know. Okay, because it's not as easy as it was before. It's not 16, so I can't just go 2, right? So this one we got to use our algebra. We're right back to first semester, right? First semester we're, hey, how do I solve this? We do the opposite of what's happening. What's the opposite, Joey? What's the opposite of times? Divide. That's it. So I'm going to divide by negative 8. Divide by negative 8. That cancels out, so I get x equals, and 2 negatives make a positive, so I get 1/8. Now that's a little different, hey? Little bit harder problem. Now what is the x-intercept?
Between 1 and 2.
Nope. What's the x-intercept? Ashley, you got it. Yeah. 1/8.
Well, where would you put that on the line?
Ah. Now is that what you were trying to say? You're trying to explain it, right? Good. So yeah, you would put that in between 1 and 0, right? It'd be like, I don't know, somewhere around here, about 1/8 of the way, right? So you have to split it up into 8 pieces, and it'd be one of those 8 pieces, right? So if I split this up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces, that would be on one of those 8 pieces, right? And then the other one would be where? The y-intercept. Where's the y-intercept?
On the bottom of the y.
Right. So this is the x-intercept, right? And this is the y-intercept, and that's at negative 1, right? So that's our line. What? What? That's it. Is that hard? That's not bad, right? It's just 2 points make a line. You got to find me the 2 points. Here they are. Sit every time. Now that was a tough problem. That was one of the harder ones. Okay? 23 is a story problem. Okay? Let's move on to 25. I'm going to have you guys prove 23 to me on the boards. 25. Are we good here? I'm going to put 25 right here. Okay? Use the intercepts to graph the line. Oh, we just did that. That's what 25 is. Okay? So we got to graph it. 4x minus 6y equals 12. 4x minus 6y equals 12. Okay? I need to graph this. Alright? Help me out. What am I going to do? Tell me people don't tire out on me now. The video's still going. Come on. What do you got? What you got? What you got on my 40 home? 25. 4x minus 6y equals 12. You can't see me method.
Plug in 0.
There it is. Come on. That's it. Plug in 0. What do you get?
0. X negative xy equals 12.
Negative 6y equals 12. So what is that? What times negative 6 is 12?
-2.
That's it. Where do I graph negative 2 at? Where's that going to be? Is that going to be on the y or is that going to be on the x-axis?
X. Got 2 on the X.
Guess again.
No idea.
Exactly. But it was a good guess. You knew it was going to be one of them, right?
Obviously.
Okay. Which column is it in? Is this an x or a y? Is it a value for x or y? So we need to know that. That's huge. It goes in alphabetical order. Okay? Okay. So where is negative 2? It's on the y. Okay. Is it up or down? Down. How many? 2. Okay. All right, let's find the x then. How do I find the x? Huh? Well, the center is 0. Yep.
It just stays there.
So it's 0, negative 2, 0, negative 2. But how do I find the x-intercept? What do we got to do now? You can't see me method. I can't hear. Cover it up. Yeah, which one am I covering up? 4x. So I don't cover up x, right? I cover up the y, right? So the way I cover it up is to plug in 0, right? And so how many times does 4 go into 12? And you said it, Louise? 3. Simple. Now where is 3 on the graph? Right, left, up, or down? Right, good. 1, 2, 3. X. Okay? Really important. You need to use these colors. If you're having trouble with this, which a lot of you are, that's it. That's all we're doing. Better? Albie? Alright, I'm going to pause this.